Hi all, this is Rahul. Today I'm going to explain you the UI of the Postman. So first I will start with new. So if you click on new, you will find many things here like request. You can create request collection. You can create collection from here, environment, documentation, mock server, monitor and API. So by using these links, you can create these things and you can see one import here. So suppose if you have existing collection, so in that case just you can import from here and work. Now this is runner. So suppose if you want to run any collection, then in that case you can use this runner. You can just click on runner and select the collection from here, select the environment, give the iteration, how many iteration you want to run, select file. Suppose in that collection you are using any data, you are taking the data from the outside JSON file or XML file. In that case you can use this and just you need to click on start run. Now we will come to history part. So in history part, suppose we don't have any collection here, any API, that is why it is blank. So in my coming videos I will be showing. So if you'll create any API, and then in that case you can see in the history. Now just go to collection. So in collection we don't have any collection here, we will create in the future. In my coming videos I will be creating collection like get APIs and post API. In that case you will find here. Now coming to this my workspace part, so you can able to see, right, like personal and team. So personal is nothing like your own repository, and team, it's like if you're working with the team then you can collaborate and work. And by using this invite you can just invite any users from here. And the main important thing is environment. So suppose if you're working in any QA or dev environment, in that case I was saying in the first video, right, like if you want to work in QA environment you need to select QA environment, and if you want to work in dev environment, in that case you need to select the dev environment. So for this you need to create two environments, right, like dev and QA. So for that you need to just click on manage environment. You need to click on add and give the environment, like I said, right, dev. So give the environment name as dev and click on add. So it will create an environment. So same as if you want to click, you want to add a environment of QA. In that case just click on add, give the environment name as QA and click on add. In that case you will find QA environment. So after creating two environment, you'll get an option here like QA environment, dev environment. In my coming videos, I will be creating these environments, so no need to worry if you're not getting now. So coming to this part, so you can able to see, right, you many requests are there like get request, post request, put request, patch request, delete request. So these are the requests which we are going to use in future. So mostly we'll use get, post, put and delete. These four are the mainly common used request which we are going to use in my coming videos. So in case of URL, you just need to put URL here and send it, and in the response you'll get those things. So you can find here, right, authorization. So to execute the APIs and all, so if you're working in an organization label, in there you need to authorize the API before using that API. So for else I will be taking any free API. So for that API no need to authorize anything. So we'll come to body part. Before body we'll just come to header. So we need to use header in the API. So for that we need to use this tab, header tab, and you can give a key value here. So body part is, suppose if you passing any or you are adding any load, so in that case just you need to write the code. You have to pass the data in the body, and after doing all the things you need to click on send and you will get a response. So this is all about UI of the Postman. So in my coming videos, I'm going to show you the get requests, post requests. So till then, bye bye, and don't forget to share, like, and comment this video. If you like the video, share with your friends, family. Thank you all.